Robinhood announced Shib to 10 cents. Shiba Inu coin news today. Shiba price prediction. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some of the juiciest and best news that you will not hear anywhere else, as well as giving you Shiba Inu price analysis and my personal Shib prediction. Make sure you watch until the end of the video because this one is fire. The amazing of cryptocurrency got even better with the arrival of Shiba Inu. Now among the top 30 or so cryptocurrencies in the world, its staying power is a testament to the might of memes, the contagious nature of investor groupthink, and the cuteness of fluffy dogs. But is the coin that billed itself as the Dogecoin killer a legit crypto investment opportunity now that it boasts more than 550,000 users? There's a lot to consider before you can answer that question. Launched in August 2020 by an anonymous person going by the name 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗲𝘁𝘀, Shiba Inu was a challenge to Dogecoin from the very beginning. Its mascot, the coin's namesake breed of Japanese dog, is also the mascot of Dogecoin, which itself was started as a joke based on a viral canine internet meme. Like so many other cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu is based on the Ethereum blockchain. 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗍 started with a supply of 1 quadrillion tokens, that's 1,000 raised to the power of 5. 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗍 then locked half of the tokens in a decentralized finance protocol called Uniswap and burned the other half, worth $1 billion, to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin for safekeeping. Buterin then donated trillions of Shiba Inu coins to India to help stem the spread of COVID-19. It was history's largest cryptocurrency donation, before burning 40% of the total supply to a dead wallet. Like all crypto, it's complicated and highly volatile. And like Bitcoin, which is currently trading at around $35,000 per coin, Shiba Inu goes for just a tiny sliver of a penny. The logic, according to Barron's, is that cheaper coins draw wider audiences. Dogecoin, by comparison, is trading at a much more expensive 20 cents. All that is fine and well, but like everything involving crypto trading, volatility is the name of the game with Shiba Inu. The coin briefly lost half of its value on the day that Buterin made the donation to India. That's a single-day drop of 50% based purely on investor emotion and reaction to a news story. And in the world of crypto, that's not at all unusual. If you can handle that kind of heat, by all means, but keep in mind the nature of the roller coaster you're about to board. Hi there, my name is Nathan and welcome to CASHIFY, the #1 channel on YouTube dedicated to giving you high-quality content and high-quality cryptocurrency information. Also, we're giving away $300 at the end of the month to a random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comments section down below. Shiba Inu is quickly taking over the crypto scene and is growing at a very fast rate. The community around the coin is extremely strong and lots of people believe that the coin could reach 10 cents. Shiba Inu has been in the news a lot recently, mainly because the coin was very recently listed on Coinbase and Binance, two of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. This led to Shiba seeing a spike in value as it made 25% gains over the weekend. And fortunately, the coin has come down in value since. On the positive side of things, Shiba's official Twitter account hit 900,000 followers and looks likely to hit 1 million followers before the end of the month, which is likely to give the coin a lot of publicity and increase its value. And now with new news breaking out, we could see a massive spike in Shib's value. Shiba Inu bulls ready to take off as Shib price stabilizes. The meme-based coin saw a spike on September 16th, but soon it shed its all gain. A breakout from here was needed indeed, but Shib continues to contract and cause frustration for bulls and bears. Altcoins like Doge and Shib have gained immense popularity from the first quarter of the year 2021. These coins have achieved the tag of the most famous and trendiest cryptocurrency in the world of finance. Earlier this year, Shib community launched the petition to list the coin on the trading platform Robinhood, and somehow petition managed to gain over 130,000 signatures till June this year. The meme-based coin saw a spike on September 16th, but soon it shed its all gain. A breakout from here was needed indeed, but Shib continues to contract and cause frustration for bulls and bears. As China's crypto ban is fluctuating the financial market, Shib price seems out to be the pennant or triangle pattern, and now investors can expect another spike in the prices. Shiba will be retesting the crucial resistance barriers. Shiba Inu looks likely to be listed on Robinhood in the near future as Robinhood downloads drop by 79%. Robinhood is currently working on bringing crypto onto the platform, and a massive coin that they look likely to bring onto the platform is Shiba Inu token. This would do great things for Shiba Inu and would also massively help Robinhood by sending them lots of new traffic and lots of people buying through their platform. The Shib community has created lots of petitions to try and get Robinhood to list Shiba Inu, with lots of these petitions getting hundreds of thousands of signatures. Do you think Robinhood will list Shiba Inu in the near future? Please let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want to learn more about how Shiba Inu could hit 10 cents soon, then check out the video on screen now. You won't be disappointed. Before we finish today, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video and let me know what you learned in the comments. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.